Good morning, everyone. Just we will start the session is there. So in practical session, we are discussing the 10th, 9th programs are there. In practical session, we are discussing the 9 programs are there. Today, today we are discussing the software in software. First software we are discussing the 8085 simulator is there. First two programs are related to the 8085 simulators are there. Then after that, we have to give the 6, 7 programs related to the 8051 for the Kale software is there. In that Kale software, we are discussing the last 7 programs are there, and one program is your LCD interfacing program or motor interfacing program. We have discussed the another software is the 8051 emulator is there. So this is the software is there, emulator is there. Okay. So when you go to the Google, then Google write down the EDSIM 51 is there. You have to write down the EDSIM 51 is there, and in that EDSIM 51, if you write on the Google, directly you have to download the software is there. If you have a PC, then you have to download this software. All the programs which are doing in your Kel software, such a programs also execute in this software also. This software also we can execute this program also. This is the emulator is there. Emulator and simulator is what is difference between this simulator and simulator is there. In simulator we have only work with the software parts is there, but in emulator we have to work with the hardware part and software parts. Means you have to connect the hardware softwarely to the 8051 is there. You have to connect the hardware softwarely with the 8051 is there. There is no uh, there is no any hardware is required, physically hardware is required. We require hardware or the software is there, and in that case we have to do the programs are there. So EDSIM 51 is there. When you download this EDSIM directly, it will not be run. For that purpose, this is the Java file is there. For the EDSIM 51 is there. For the to execute this Java file, you have to install the Java package is there. Java, if you write down the in Google Java is there, then you have to install this Java package there. If I have the just this is the Java setup is there. You have to install this Java setup is there. Okay, in that install Java setup, then you have to install this. After that, you have to 8051 emulator will be install is there. So first what we have to do, go to the Google is there, write down the EDSIM 51 is there. After EDSIM 51 is there, you have to get the zip file of the EDSIM 51, extract that file, you will get this such a folder is there. After that you have to click on that EDSIM and directly we have to click on this Java file is there. But sometimes this file is not executed, not open if you are not install the Java setup is there. So before you have to open this file, you have to must install on your PC is the Java setup is there. So this is the Java setup file. I think you know that Java setup file is there, but this is Java setup file is there. You have to install the Java setup file, then go to the emulator is there, then EDSIM, and then double click on that EDSIM, you will open this file is there. So this is the software is there. This is the software is there. All the programs, what programs which are doing in the software, suppose addition of substitution, multiplication, division, all the programs you have to done here is there. So see, this is the name of this software is EDSIM 51 DI. Okay, EDSIM 51 DI is there. Here, if you see, this is the all the memory sites and all the data which is present here. Here is we can see the all the hardware parts. See, here is the motor, ADC. This is our transmit SCOR registers are there. RX and TX is there. This is the 7 segment display. This is the keyboard you have to interface. This is the LCD display is there. This is the DAC is there, and these are the uh, related to the inputs are there. So this is the EDSIM 51 software is there. EDSIM 51 software is there. Okay. So first we are discussing simple program. First we are discussing simple program, and then we'll go to the next program is there. Okay. So wait for some time is there. Some students are coming. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Start. Start. So this is the software is ADSIM 51 is there. Discussing this is the software here. We have to see the all the KL software we are discussing. When I go to the debug is there. In that debug, this platform is seen in your KL software for the debug. So this is the registers are R0 to R1 is there. This is the register B, accumulator, program status word, IP, then I is there, PCON, DPH, DPL, and SP is there. Okay. So this is the SCON is there. This is the SCON. SCON means this serial control is there. TXD and RXD is there. Okay. Read write option is there. These are the pins configuration. And here we are discussing the all the memories are there. Okay. So this is present in your KL software is there. Here is we have discussed this is the hardware part. Just I want to discuss the experiment number 9 is the hardware part. If you click on here, see this is the connections are there. For that, we have to go the LDs there. So this is our 8051 and softwarely you have to connect all the peripherals are. If I am select deselect all, okay. So this is the 8051. This is the 8051 and these are the peripherals you can connect to the 8051s are there. You have to connect these peripherals to the 8051 is there. Suppose first I am connecting the switch is there. So here is the switch are there. Switch you have to connect to the 8051 is there. Next is the LED is there. So for that LED we have to connect the port 1 is there. Then if you have select the keyboard, then you have to connect the keyboard to the 8051 is there. You have to LCD module. This is the LCD module. You have to connect here is there. Then UART is there. You have to connect this. Then multiplex 7-second display. Here we have to connect this UART. UART means what? RxTS means for the transmission and reception is there. For that purpose, SCON is there. Then next is the analog and digital is there. ADC is there. We have to connect is there. Then comparator you have to connect means DAC. This comparator means you have to connect the DAC to the, and this is the motor is there. This is the motor we have to connect is there. Okay. So this is the connections. By using that we have to write down the programs are there. Just we have discussed the programs of the LCD displays there. We have discussed the programs of the LCD displays there. Where is the LCD display? Our I want to deselect all and only I am giving the LCD module is there. So this is our LCD displays there. Okay. Just we have discussed the LCD displays there. So what is the program is there? See RS chip. This is the RS. RS is connected to the pin number P1.3 is there. RS is connected to the P1.3 is there. Okay. Then enable pin is connected to the C. This is connection. Connection goes to the P1.2 is there. And all the data D0 to D7. All the data D0 to D7. It is connected to the this is D0 P1.0 to 1.7 is there. Okay. So one by one we are discussing this one, and you have to by using that you have to do the program of the LCD there. All the programs are present. If you go to the EDSIM is there. EDSIM, all the hardware programs are present. In EDSIM, you have to search the EDSIM in your Google is there. You can see all the hardware programs are there. Okay. First, we will discuss the simple program in this, and then we'll go to the hard programs there. So how to run? Just I want to show this. Just we will discuss this program there. Simple program we have discussed this software. Then we'll go to the. So this is the program is there. Okay, what is the program? Move 03 into A, 02 into B, add B is there. You have to add this to number, 5 number is there, and this 5 number is transferred to the C is there. This 5 number is transferred to the C is there. So here is the program is there. RST, assemble the program and run the program. First, I am giving the assemble the program. So this is given a error is there. So what we have to do is there, Kyle error. So first you have to immediate addressing mode is there. Write down the hash. There is also write down the hashes there. Okay. Then reset, then assemble the program. C comma A is there. Okay. So move hash 03 into A, 0 into B. Then you have to add A comma B. Then move A into R7 is there. Okay. If I run the program, your R7 get a value of the, here is R7. R7 is having value 0, 0 is there. You will get a value of 0, 5 there. Just see, run the program is there. Okay. So see here we will get the value of R7 is the 0, 5 is there. R7 value is the 0, 5 is there. Okay. So step by step execution also we can done. Reset is there, then your program will be stopped. Then you have to assemble the program. After that assemble, here is a step by step execution is there. See step by same just like KL software, but you have to see all the parameters in left side. In KL software, what we have to do, this is also same for the left side, but they are go to the debug and there. Here is you have to directly connect to the this one. So see step by step execution. A, what is value of A? A means accumulator. A is getting value of 3 is there. See here is the value of accumulator is 3. The next step you will get a value of B, which is value of B is the 2 is there. Value of B is 2 is there. Then add A comma B means A is having 2, 3, B is having 2. Add this to value and accumulator get value of 5. Here accumulator get value of 5 is there. Okay, so accumulator get value is 5 is there. Then you have to transfer this value to the R7. You have to transfer this value to the R7. R7 is here is the value of R7. Directly you have to transfer this value of the R7 is there. Okay, when you reset, all the values should be resets are there. Okay, so this is the program you have to run this program. Just I want to go to the program is for the LCD display. Symbol the program. The program will be run is there. Okay. Then after that run the program. See this is the display is there. In display you will get the values are there. After run the program, this is the value of ABC is there. You will get value of ABC is there. You can see this is the value of the ABC is there. Okay, this is the program is there. Okay. Suppose pause and the reset is there. If I'm go to the connections are there, and if I'm removing this connection, okay, I'm removing this connection. Then assemble the program. Then you have to run the program. You will get the value of reset is there. Directly you have to connect to the A, B, C is there. Okay. See here we have to connect 1.7 in program also. In program also, here is the clear PL7, clear P16, set bit P15, clear bit 1. Same functions we already discussed in the, here is 30H is contain A, B, then 31 is B, 32 is C, and 40, 33 is the, this is the data which is present at that location is there. And you know that you have to display this data by using your programs are there. Just now already we have discussed this program. Only difference is that we have to set the value into the location is there, and from that location you have to take the value and give on to the our port is there. Okay, this is the set bits are there 1.4 and then finish this. Okay, and another program we are discussing this, here is the DC motor run program is there. होता है का बघू हा program just okay. तर remove होती इकडे तुम्हाला दिसते the motor will be, but it is removed in the wrong side. What we have to do to change the program in this? See, set bit 3 P3.1 is there. A call rotate. A call rotate is here. Then move 0 to into R1 is there. Then decrement the R1. Delay will be there. Jump if 0. Then it will go to the CL is there. What is the CL? Means clear P3.1. Then jump to the RST is there. Okay. First you have to set only a P1.3 is there. मास्क करा रे बाबा. करू काय प्रोजेक्टर कनेक्ट दिसते का प्रोजेक्टर आणि दिसते ना हे फक्त सॉफ्टवेअर आपल्याला जस्ट आय वांट टू डिस्कस दिस सॉफ्टवेअर इज देअर हे फक्त सॉफ्टवेअर मला डिस्कस करायचं होतं बाकी काय नव्हतं हे काय ऑलरेडी यू आर डिस्कसिंग द केल सॉफ्टवेअर इज देअर बट हिअर आय एम टू डिस्कस दिस प्रॅक्टिकल सेशन इज देअर okay everybody understood the practical session on this software just I want to discuss this software is there only if you remember this is a select all थोड़ा पे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ने बसा प्रोजेक्टर सुरू करा. हॅलो, स्टुडंट्स आलेत आपल्याकडे प्रॅक्टिकल भरपूर, त्यामुळे 5 मिनिटं प्रोजेक्टर लावतोय, त्यामुळे 5 मिनिटं वेट करा. हा, 2च मिनिटं थांबा, कारण स्टुडंट्स आलेत सगळे, 10-12 स्टुडंट्स आहेत. फक्त वेट करा, एक 5 मिनिटं, स्टार्ट करतोय, प्रोजेक्टर लावलं. पुढच्या गुरुवारी या सगळे पुढच्या गुरुवारी आपण हे तरी घेतो सगळ्यांची, परत तुम्हाला काय सांगता हे कसं तुम्हाला सांगायचं, तुम्हाला हे आपण तुम्हाला माहिती असावं की बसतात तुम्हाला हा प्रोग्राम करायचा नसतो, तुम्हाला हे करता यावं म्हणून मी त्यासाठी मी घेतलेलं. केलचं आहे तर केलचं आपण नेक्स्ट प्रॅक्टिकलला
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है बट हम मीटिंग लिए वाला कोडिंग वगैरह नहीं दिख रहे पीछे. नहीं आया था बट दूसरा पीस कनेक्ट किए उसका कंपनी की वगैरह क्या है थोड़ा बहुत सकता है. जो मीटिंग कंडक्ट करके प्रैक्टिकल ले रहे उसको पूरा इधर डिस्प्ले क्या दिखते वही उधर दिखना है बट वो
डिस्प्ले और लगा है सोशल डिस्टेंस
उसके लिए लगा है बात किसी लिए आना नहीं है ऑपरेशन अटेंड करने के लिए.
ओके. मला ठीक आहे, स्टार्ट करूयात. स्टुडंट्स प्रोजेक्टर चालू हो गया. तर हे फक्त जस्ट आय वांट टू डिस्कस दिस सॉफ्टवेअर विथ यू. EDSIM 51 इज देयर. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू द programs of 8051 with the hardware is there, just you want to check the program for ADC DAC is there, then you have to go to this software is there and you have to connect your ADC DAC with that software and run the program is there. Okay, so I think another program which I have. This just check the program. I'm not checking this program, just we have to check this program run or not is there. So this is the program for the DAC, digital to analog converter. Clear P 0.7, then move A to the P1, add 04 into the A is there, and then jump to the loop is there. Just go to the connections are there. DAC, where is DAC? Deselect all. This the DAC is there. Okay. So here is the connection of the DAC is there. Okay. So here DAC connection is there. See port P 1.7 to 1.0. This is the port 1. Port 1 is connected to the data of the ADC. DAC is there. Port 1.7 to 1.0 is connected to the data of the DAC is there. Digital analog converter 0 D0 to D7 is there. Okay. D0 to D7 you have to connect the data, and right pin is connected to the P 0.7. Right pin is connected to the P 0.7. So in program, see what we are doing in the program. P 0.7 is clear. What is meaning of clear? Clear means what? You have to put a value of 0 into this port is there. You have to put a value of 0 into the port 0.7 is there. You have to put a value of 0 into the port 0.7 is there. And then you have to put a value of accumulator to P1. Why P1? P1 is contain a data is there. P1 is contain a data is there. And you have to add this value to the P1 is there. Then you have to add 0.4 into the accumulator is there. And then again you have to clear this, write the data into the DAC is there. Just see. So here is DAC value, you can see these values and increasing the accumulator values there. And this value is transferred to the DAC. If you want to do the scope, this ramp will be show is there. In that scope, you have to see the ramp. This is only for your information. Today, no one is doing the project so program on this EDCM is there, but this is your DAC output there as a ramp is there. Okay, this is the scope you have to discuss this. Okay, so this is the value you have to increase this is there. This is the program. Just I want to show through this software is that the connection of your doing in the program is there. Just I want to show, means my aim is here we have to connect the clear P 0.7. Just I want to show what is the meaning of that and what is the meaning of program of A transfer to the P1 is there. So what is the meaning of that? Just I want to discuss this. See, when you are doing the hardware connection is there, you have to connect this P07 to this WR is there. P07 is connected to the WR is there. Okay, this the P07 is connected to WR, and this D0 to D7 is connected to port 1. So remember these things, and by using that, you have to transfer the data is there to the port 1 is. Then another is DAC program also I have done. This is the keyboard. Motor run. No, only these three programs are there. LCD display, keyboard is not run the program. DC motor is you have to move the DC motor. Then DAC program is there. Move the DAC program. And when you go to the ADC, a lot of programs out there. ADC also program is there. Then input output programs also present in that SIM software. Just remember these things. So this is the software, but if there is a practical oral examination is there, PO is there, you have to do the programs in your KL software only. You have to do the programs in KL software, not open this software. This is for your information as I am giving this software. So how hardware is connected to the 8051 is there. मला फक्त दाखवायचं एवढंच की हार्डवेअर आपण कसं कनेक्ट करतो आपल्या 8051 ला. So this is the connection is there. So this is the connection of hardware with the 8051 is there. Okay. So only just I want to show this software. And here is pins are there. So here is by using pins you have to connect this. Okay, these are the pins you have to change the connection is there. जे connection आपण तिथं बघितलं hard by using a diagram is there. Here they are using a by pin numbers are there. Only connections are show this. Okay, and all the programs you have to done by using KL is here is also. All the programs you have to done by KL you can done by using this. This is the program for the assemble. Then you have to reset the program, assemble the program, and run the program is there. Then you have to give the new program is there. New program is there. You have to load means open the program. If you are present in your file is there, then you have to write down the program to save the program. Here you have to copy the program and paste. Just Control C and Control V is there. And these are the all the variables which is present here is there. Okay. So just I want to show this is the update frequency is there. What is the meaning of that? Just we will see through the keyboard. Run the program. You can see here if I'm changing the frequency. Okay. See here we are not showing into the keyboard is there. If you want to change its frequency up to the 1000 or 10,000, you can see this is the ABC is there. Okay. So you have to match the frequency of your LCD display with your 8051 is there, and by using that frequency, update frequency, then you can see this is the ABC values there. If you have changed the frequency there, suppose 1, you're not saying ABC in that here is there. Okay. But if you want to change this for the 1000, you can see this is the ABC is there on your LCD display there. So you have to match the LCD display frequency with your 8051 is there. Here is by software you have to match. In hardware you have to match. This is the use of that updated frequencies there. Then all are same as there. This is the TH1 and TL1 we have discussed at the timer program is there. TH1 and TL1 is there. Then Tmod and Tcon we have discussed Tmod and Tcon when you have to change the value. SCON we don't have the SCON programs are there. But if I am getting one lecture, I will tell also SCON. SCON means your transfer the serial communication is there. This SFR register we discussed in unit number I think 3 or 4 is there. Then this SCON is there. A special function register is there. In unit number 3 we have discussed special function register. Special function register is there. In SCON you transfer the data is there. Okay. So just remember this software name of software is EDSIM51DI is there. Okay. कुठला 88 का HD display हा ना. This is display 7 segment display program is there. Here LCD is our liquid crystal display. This is you have to connect this 7 segment display also with your 8051 is there. Here we have to connect the 7 segment display also. ठीक आहे बघा करून प्रोग्राम तुम्ही एडीसी चा प्रोग्राम पण आहे एडीसी मध्ये कसं होतं when you have to change the output voltage is there you will get the voltage on the ADC is there. Program also with me but okay so but just want to close this. आता तुम्ही जे प्रेझेंट आहात तिथं त्यांना what we want to repeat the session. Already practicals are completed. If you see this in your practicals, print preview, just we'll discuss this experiment number 1 by using 8085 is there. 805 is there. Then after that, we're discussing the Keil software is there. 16-bit addition up to this 9th experiments are there. So what we want to repeat from me? इथे जे प्रेझेंट आहे त्यांच्यासाठी केल करून शिकू दे परत का इफ यू वॉन्ट टू एनिथिंग यू वॉन्ट टू रिपीट हे दिस इज This practical is EDCM is just for your information. Don't do this program on this software. If there is a practical oral examination, don't do this. This is only, I know this software and just I want to share this software with you. I want to share this software with you. This hardware is connection, how hardware connection with the 8051 is there. But you have to only remember two softwares are there. First software is 8085 simulator is there, and another is the KL software is there. Okay. Please remember only these two softwares are there. Please remember only these two softwares are there. This EDCM is for your information is there. How to connect, what is the simulator, emulator software for the 8051 is there. Only you remember this. So what we want to repeat. Either those are present here. तुम्हाला काय कळालं नाही? Just I want to repeat this. KL software, everybody know the KL software. How to run the program. First program. First program कसा करायचा? सगळं सांगू. ओके ओके. प्रॅक्टिकली कॉम्प्युटरवर ना. मग आधी वी आर डिस्कस द केल सॉफ्टवेअर करूयात. म्हणजे कसं इन केल सॉफ्टवेअर 8 प्रोग्राम्स आर देअर. म्हणजे एक प्रोग्राम केलं की तुम्हाला येईल. नंतर 8085 मी नेक्स्ट प्रॅक्टिकल शिकवतो. हा सिंटॅक्स आहेत. पण ते आपण इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आपण पाहायलाच आहेत ना. फर्स्ट आपण काय करू, हाऊ टू रन द प्रोग्राम. ठीक आहे, पाहायला पण सगळं बघून सगळ्याच प्रोग्राम सांगतो, प्रत्येक लाईनचा अर्थ सांगतो. ओके ठीक आहे. आणि आपण okay, this is the KL software. Just discuss all the programs with the students are there. The present students are here. त्यांनी म्हणतात की सगळा प्रोग्राम डिस्कस करा. जस्ट प्रोजेक्ट क्लोज. आधी प्रोग्राम डिस्कस करतो, आधी आपण सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये कसं जायचं ते पाहूयात. जस्ट युअर डिस्कस सॉफ्टवेअर इज देअर. ओके, दिस इज द KL software. KL software is there. Then first project, new project. Okay, project means what? You know that you have to add the lot of files into the project is there. Give the name of the project is there. Suppose sample one is there. Okay, then project file .uve. हे आपलं प्रोजेक्ट फाइलचं एक्सटेन्शन आहे. हे एक्सटेन्शन आपलं UV एक्सटेन्शन. लक्षात ठेवा फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट फाइल. व्हाय इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट? इफ देर इज ऑनलाईन एक्झामिनेशन इज देअर. ऑनलाईन एक्झाम जर झाली ना आपलं, तर हे विचारू शकतात बरं का. व्हॉट इज द एक्सटेन्शन ऑफ युअर project file is there? If there is software question is asked, so .uv is there. Save. Then it will go to the atmail is there. In that atmail you have to search 89C51. ठीक आहे, हे आपलं 8051 चे रिलेटेड आहेत सगळं. हे आपल्या काय फ्रिक्वेन्सीज आहेत. देन मेमरी वगैरे आहे. 82 is there. Then okay. इथे फक्त नो करा. You know that the problems are created in one practical session is there, so you have to know is there. So your target is created is there. Here target is created. Then file, new file. Okay, you have to write down the program. आता प्रोग्राम काय आपण आधी डिस्कस करू प्रोग्राम, then we have to run the program. कळालं इथपर्यंत कसं how to come into the KL software. First you have to go to the project, then select the 89C5 is there, and then this is the target file is created. आता go to the program. What is the program is there? See, first two programs are related to the 8085 is there. We are discussing next practical. First we have to discuss this. So how to run the program? Just म्हणजे एखादा प्रोग्राम दिला तर आधी तयार कसा करायचा ते मी सांगतो. Then how to run the program. See, the program is right. Program काय आहे? Write ALP program to addition of 2 8-bit numbers and 16-bit numbers using arithmetic operation as there. ठीक आहे. आता आपण जो प्रोग्राम बघणार आहे तो प्रोग्राम काय आपला 8-bit किंवा 16-bit ऍडिशनचा प्रोग्राम. 8-bit ऍडिशनचा प्रोग्राम आहे. इथे 16-bit ऍडिशन आहे किंवा 8-bit ऍडिशन आहे. ठीक आहे. आता पहिल्यांदा आपलं लक्षात काय ठेवायचं, व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू ऍड 2 8-bit or 16. Suppose you have to eat, here is 16-bit, 8-bit programs are there, 12 and 34 is there. So 8-bit addition is there. So first we have to think how, what we have to do. So first आपल्या दोन नंबरची ऍडिशन करायची. ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट आधी माइंड मध्ये ठेवायचं. आता ऍडिशन करायचे मीन्स व्हॉट, वी रिक्वायर द 2 व्हेरिएबल्स. 2 व्हेरिएबल्स आपण सी मध्ये करतो, पण इथे 2 व्हेरिएबल्स नाही. वी हॅव टू डिस्कस द 2 रजिस्टर्स आर देअर. आता 8051 मध्ये रजिस्टर कुठले आहेत? इन 8051 फर्स्ट रिमेंबर दॅट अर्थमॅटिक ऑपरेशन इज डन इन टू द अक्युमुलेटर. आपलं जे काय अर्थमॅटिक ऑपरेशन आहे ते सगळं इट इज डन इन टू द अक्युमुलेटर इज देअर. ओके, अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये त्यामुळे यू हॅव टू यूज द रजिस्टर ए इज देअर. ओके, दिस इज फर्स्ट. Second, we have the registers are 802 R0 to R7. त्यातला you have to discuss any register we have to take R0 to R7. त्यातला कुठला एक register आपण use करू शकतो. ठीक आहे. But in register B also present in the 8051. But this B register is used in multiplication and division purpose. Remember this. You can use B register also, but lot of times B registers are used for the multiplication and division is there. So first, when see the program, then you have to set the mind is that what we have to do. We have to do the addition of two 8-bit numbers. So first, you have to know that we require the two registers are there. Apply two registers path A and B is the A, and suppose I am taking here is the R0 is there. So first in program is R1 is there. So first we have to think that. Then third step is what you have to record what instruction is required to these two registers. Means what we have to put A is equal to suppose 12 and B is R1 is equal to 20 is there. Suppose these two values you have to put into these two registers. Then what we have to do? What instructions are present in your 8051? We have two instructions in your 8085, different instruction. In 8051 different instruction is there. In 8085 there is instruction as MVI. In 8085 there is instruction is the MVI to take the values there. But in your 8051 what is instruction? In 8051 where instruction is the move is there. Okay, we require a data transfer instructions are the move instruction. Then we have to think that if your to data transfer instruction is move, then what we have to do? What is the addressing mode we have to use? What is the addressing mode we have to use for this? See here, what is the addressing mode for that we have to use there? So A is equal to 03, and if it is R2 is there 02, then what addressing mode we have to use is the hash. This is called the direct addressing mode. We are discussing the addressing mode is the direct addressing mode, then register addressing mode, then indirect addressing mode, direct addressing mode. But here we have to take the directly value into your accumulator is there. So for that purpose we have to use the hash 03H is there. Remember this thing please. Here तुम्ही आधी माइंड मध्ये ठेवलं पाहिजे. पहिल्यांदा काय how many registers we required? Two registers required. Then how to you have to transfer this register values into that accumulator or that register. For that which instructions we have to use. Then decide how you have to transfer in which addressing mode we have to use, in direct addressing mode or we have to use the indirect addressing mode. So we have to remember these two things are there. And then after that what आपण त्यावरती काय प्रोसेस करणार, what process we have to do? It is the addition. So for addition which instructions we have to use? So you know that for addition two instructions there. First is add instruction and second is add C instruction. हे तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. Which instruction we have to use? For the add, two numbers add, and add C means we have to add the carries there. For add C we have to add the carries there. So you have to remember this which instructions we have to use there. Which instructions we have to use there? Add or add C is there. Here we have to use the add instruction is there, or add C instruction is depending upon you have to. So first move this value into the accumulator, then move this value into the R1 is there, and apart from these two instruction we have to use which instruction is required. Okay, so first algorithm is there. Each and every program having algorithm is there. First पहिल्यांदा काय आपण बघितलं, you have to take the values on the accumulator and register. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं first you have to decide or take the values for the accumulator and register is there. You have to decide the register name also. Then take one number into the accumulator, then take second number into the accumulator. पहिला number आपण accumulator घेतला, second number accumulator घेतला, then perform the addition and then store the result into the accumulator is there. Okay, so just I'm writing the instructions here just like. So first what is that? You have to take one number into the accumulator. पहिला number आपल्या accumulator घेतला. So move a comma hash suppose 12h. बरोबर. So for that purpose you require the instruction. तुम्हाला instruction माहित पाहिजे. जर सपोज आपल्याला इथे 8055 च्या ऐवजी जर 8085 असतं तुम्हाला काय लिहावं लागलं असतं? MVI a comma 12h. In your 8051 this is the direct addressing mode. Here is also direct addressing mode. This is in your 8051 it is called immediate addressing mode, and here in your 8085 is also immediate address mode. So you remember which software you have to do the programs are there. If you are using the accumulator we have to use 8051 you have to use this instruction. For 8085 you have to use this instruction. So remember these things. The next is same is there. Again you have to use the immediate addressing mode is there. Move a comma hash, which is the value is there. Suppose here they are giving the 34h is there. 34h is there. And for 8051, same instructions are there. Then after that, you have to add value. You have to add the value. Add. Here is we have to give the register is R1 is there. R1 add A comma R1 is there. Add A comma R1 is there. You have to add A comma R1 is there. Okay. So add A comma R1 means what? You have to take a value from R1 is 34. It is add with the accumulator. R1 is 34. Add with the accumulator is there. So addition will be stored into the accumulator. So this is the restriction of your 8051 is there. Or you can say the limitations of 8051 is there. All the addition, arithmetic, logical operation are done with the accumulator. All the logical and operation done with the accumulator is there. So for the addition, subtraction, for the rotation, for ANDing, we require the accumulator there. Without accumulator, we can't do the instruction. म्हणजे तुम्ही असं लिहू शकत नाही. If I am taking the value of, suppose I am taking value here, R2, I am taking a value is there, and I am writing add R2 comma R1. Huh? Add C register is not present is there. In your 8051, C register नहीं है आपल्याकडे. तो CF है, CF है. Carry flag will be generated is there. कसं आहे, जर आपल्याला कॅरी ऍड करायचा असेल, कॅरी जर ऍड करायचं असेल तर वी हॅव टू यूज द ऍड सी इज देअर. इथं आपण काय डायरेक्टली ह्याची बेरीज जर केली आपण किती ते 4 4 + 3 4 + 2 is 6 and 3 + 1 is 4 is there. 46 answer is there. So there is no carry will be generated is there. But if you are giving the FF is there, and then carry will be generator is there. किंवा प्रिव्हियस कॅरी इज प्रेझेंट इन, पहिला जर कॅरी आपल्याकडे असेल तर तो कॅरी काय होतो, ऍड करता येतो आपल्याला. सो दिस इज R2, R1. मग हे आपल्याला लिहिता येत नाही. सो दिस इज अ रॉंग इन्स्ट्रक्शन. Logic is right. You have to add R2 with R1, but this instruction is not present in your 8051. This is the restriction of 8051 is there. This is the restriction of 8051 because you have to add only with the accumulator. You have to add with the accumulator is there. So these are the instructions are there. This is the restriction. हे तुम्हाला कसे इंस्ट्रक्शन सगळ्या माहिती पाहिजे. ह्या इंस्ट्रक्शन्स तुम्हाला काय पाहिजे, माहिती पाहिजे की कुठली इंस्ट्रक्शन आपल्याला गरजेची आहे, कुठली इंस्ट्रक्शन आपल्या 8051 मध्ये आहे, which instruction आहे 8051, which instruction are present into the 8085 is there. So this is the program. You have to add this and then value store into the A is there. Okay. So we have to transfer this value at any locations depending upon that. But here only store the value into the accumulator is there. See in your IAC1 program is there. IAC1, I'm giving the one program is there. Addition of two numbers are there, but no one is read last line is there. In that last line, I'm giving this instruction is that move this addition into the register R7 is there. Those students are getting the 26 marks. Only we have to run this program is there. They are doing the program up to this A into R1. After that, one instruction we have to write is there. Move this value after that. Just I want to write this program, and 90% students are wrong this. So move R7 comma A. So these instructions are not written in the program is there. So lots of students, we are giving the RS1 and those are getting the 26 marks or less than 26 is there. They are giving this A into R7 is there. Also remember one thing is in your ISC1 is that just have to discuss this. When you are going, the flag registers are there. Flag registers are there. In that flag registers, everybody not draw the 8 bits flag register is there. Okay, so they are giving only the expression of what is the sign flag, what is the parity flag, but they are not draw this register is 8-bit register. So please draw this register. If there is an offline examination is there, you must draw first and then you write down the meaning of that. So this is the wrong is there. So those are getting the 1 or 2 mark less as there. So they are doing the such a things are there. So please read the program carefully. Just I want to please read the program carefully. There is addition of 2 numbers, but last line is you have to move the program or move the addition into the register R7 is there. Okay. So this is the program is there and you have to run the program in your KEL software is there. समजलं कसं प्रोग्राम करायचा? बघा program, just first you have to read the program and then go to the next. Just go to the next program, then what we are thinking is done, then we'll go to the how to run the program. It's very easy to run the program. Subtraction is no, subtraction and addition are the same program. 8-bit number. हा रन करून दाखव म्हणजे इथं आहे ना, इथं सॉफ्टवेअर आहे, इथं सॉफ्टवेअर आहे बघा. या 2 PC वर आय एम गोइंग टू मी तिथे केलं बघा सॉफ्टवेअर. ह्या PC वर आणि ह्या PC वर रन करा केलं सॉफ्टवेअर आहे तिथं. 2 PC वरती मी केलं होतं, 2 स्टुडंट्स येत होते तेव्हा. बघा तुम्ही ओपन करा इथं PC सुरू करा. 2 PC वर आहे केलं सॉफ्टवेअर बघा, रन करून बघायचं. इकडचं पण आहे, इथं तुमच्या शेजारी पण आहे. हा पण सुरू करा केल सॉफ्टवेअर, मी टाकतो तुम्हाला वाटतं. हा करा सुरू. मी ड्राईव्ह शेअर केला होता.
करून बघू आम्ही.
दुसऱ्या पीसी जिथं माऊस तिथं करा की. जस्ट तुम्हाला एक ड्राईव्ह शेअर करतो. तुझ्या नंबरला मी पाठवतो. एक ड्राईव्ह आहे, त्या ड्राईव्ह वरती मी केअर सॉफ्टवेअर पण टाकले, मग तुम्ही तुमच्या मेलला वगैरे टाका. श्रेयस
याला टाकायचं ग्रुपला डायरेक्ट.
ग्रुपला नको.
911
असेल तुझं सेव्ह आहे माझ्याकडनं. सांग मला.
911 2 7 1 7 8.
तुमचा सॉफ्टवेअर तुम्हाला इन्स्टॉल करावं लागेल. तुम्हाला
नेट लॉग इन करावं लागेल.
ओपन करा, नेट लॉग इन करा. जस्ट आय वॉन्ट टू ओपन माय ड्राईव्ह. तुम्हाला देतो. आज those who are online practicals are there, just I want to install करतोय ते 8051 केल सॉफ्टवेअर फॉर द प्रॅक्टिकल सेशन. तोपर्यंत तुम्ही हे करा, ओपन करा की हे ओपन करा. तुम्हाला लॉग इन आयडी आहे ना? माझ्याकडे एकच लॉग इन आहे. एनीबडी लॉग आहे केल सॉफ्टवेअर आहे की इथे आहे बघ केल सॉफ्टवेअर आहे रे. 2 PC वर मी करून ठेवलं केल सॉफ्टवेअर. तुम्ही तोपर्यंत मी एक लिंक पाठवली. एकच मिनिट. नाही तर वायफायचं नाही मला. Hello, within 5 minutes, we discuss how to run the program. Is there just I'm going to install the Kale software. Wait for 5 minutes.
सर 87 ह्या 1 RC करायचंय की कुठला ऍड करायचंय सर ते पुढे कुठला मेल 89 C51 ना सर Project, new project. Save. At mail. Huh? नहीं क्या क्लोज कर प्रोजेक्ट न्यू मीटिंग क्लोज कर ऐसे चार PDF file type UV to आने बरं UV नाही no UV बरोबर त्यात आहे कॅन्सल इथे सोर्स वेगळा आहे रन करून बघा तो अरे
ओके, तर सगळ्यांना केल सॉफ्टवेअर इन्स्टॉल करून दिले. आता आपण वी विल डिस्कस द हाऊ टू रन द प्रोग्राम इज देअर. ओके, सो वेअर इज द केल सॉफ्टवेअर? शेअर वगैरे आहे का स्क्रीन आपली? केल सॉफ्टवेअर कुठे? इट इज केल 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 केलंय का रन प्रोग्राम आपण काय? हा, लॉग आउट करा, लॉग आउट. शेअर करतो स्क्रीन. वेट मिनिट. ओके, आय थिंक वी हॅव टू शेअर द स्क्रीन. केल सॉफ्टवेअर कुठे गेलं? हा, हे काय, हे काय? क्लोज. ओके, सो विल गो टू द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम इज देअर. वन बाय वन आपण बघत. ज्यांना संबंध नाही त्यांनी लक्ष द्या इथं. हम्म. Okay, this is the program. ए, लक्ष द्या जनात. हा, पाहिला पण सगळ्यापासून आता. ओके, प्रोजेक्ट बघा, दोच शेअर स्क्रीन आहे ना. न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. न्यू प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये गिव्ह द नेम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज देअर. कुठला नाव द्या? ABC सपोज. ABC. ओके, सेव्ह. हिअर ॲट मेल. ॲट मेल मध्ये युअर गो टू द 89C51. ठीक आहे, 89C51. ओके, हिअर इज नो इज देअर. नो. टार्गेट फाइल इज क्रिएटेड, सोर्स फाइल इज क्रिएटेड. आता प्रोग्राम आपल्याला फाईल तयार करायची, तर फाईल मध्ये न्यू. हिअर just I'm giving the program is there, A03 and A5 is there, and add A comma R2 is there. Okay, program end. So here is a program for then save this file save. Save file, give the name of the file is suppose abc, abc dot asm. त्यांना वाटायचं आपण एबीसी मग आपण XYZ देऊ. XYZ dot asm, फक्त इथे asm फाईल त्याची आणि तो ऑल फाइल्स पाहिजे. Here is asm and here is the all files are there. Save. इथे दिसते बघा तुम्हाला abc is the name of the project is there. In that project we have to create XYZ dot asm file. This is the location where we have to store the file is there. Okay. Then after that go to the debug. Then for that purpose you have to go to the build. This is the build program. Build target आणि इथे काय rebuild all files. म्हणजे कसं आहे if number of files are present in your प्रोजेक्ट देन यू हॅव टू बिल्ड ऑल फाइल्स आर देयर. तर आपल्याकडे एकच फाईल आहे. आता जर आपण इथे बिल्ड केलं तर बिल्ड होणार नाही. आपलं काय करावं लागेल, इथे लिहिलं बघा टार्गेट हॅज नो ऑब्जेक्ट मॉड्यूल. सो इन दॅट टार्गेट वी आर नॉट ऍड दिस फाईल. आपण जोपर्यंत ती फाईल टार्गेटमध्ये ऍड करत नाही ऍड तोपर्यंत इट इज नॉट बी रन इज देयर. इट इज नॉट बी कंपाईल ऑर नॉट रन इज देयर. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज राईट क्लिक ऍड group and source file. Then here is the asm file. Name of the asm file is xyz asm. Add and then close. Here is where to add this file xyz.asm. Remember this. Then मग ही एरर लक्षात ठेवा, जर आपण ऍड नाही केली फाईल, इफ यू नॉट ऍड द फाईल, यू टू not remember to add the file, then this will be the error is there. Target has no object model, so target is not contain any file to build the files or run the program is there. Then we have to go to the build. Here will be see, here is program size is 8, data 0, code 5. There is no 0 error and 0 warnings are there. So our program will be run without errors and warnings are there. So then we have to go to the debug the program. Debug, start and stop the program is there. Okay. So here are the registers are there, R0 to R7. Here is the accumulator ABC. See, in your 8051 there is no C registers are there. In your 8085 there is C and D registers are there, but in your 8051 there is no C and D register. Here only two registers are there, A and B is there, and all our registers are there. Registered banks are there. 4 banks are there. Each bank is contain the R0 to R7 registers are there. So please remember these things. Then DPTR is there. So one by one you have to execute is there. If you give the directly execute, you will give the run the program. Then what will happen? The A will be contain value of 3, B will be R2 will be contain value of 2. Addition of 3 into 2 is 5. It will go to the A is there. So see the program step by step execution. For step by step execution, we have to use the F11 is there. F11 step by step execution ला आहे. तर इथे F11 करा. पहिल्यांदा F11 केलं, A मध्ये 03 आलं. इथे तुम्हाला दिसते 03 into the A is there. Then F11 B is B not B. I am taking the 2 into the R2 is there. So value of R2 means 2 is goes to the R2 is there. Then add A and 2 means addition of 3 and 2 is 5. It is stored into the accumulator is there. So it is F11 there. 5 is there. So you will get the value of the 5 is there. So answer is 5. Okay. In our program for the IS1 is just I want to move this value of into the R7 register. R7 comma A is there. So value of A will be transferred to the R7 is there. So when you make a changes in your program is there or in your program file is there, first you have to save the program. After save program, then don't go directly to the debug is there. If I'm going to debug, what will happen? It will not show the command of the which one move is there, only up to the AD is there, because the OBJ file is created for the first program, first changes is there, not after that you are not rebuild the program. So when you stop this, when you have to go this, then first we have to save the program, then build the program, and after that OBJ file will be created, and this OBJ file will link with the debug is there. Here you will get the third, which is the move R7 is there. Before debug, if you're not debug the file, then it will up to the add is there. Here we have to go to the 7. So value of accumulate go to the R7. So you will get the R7 value is the 5. R7 value will be 5. If I'm giving the F11 is there, see A is contain 3, B is contain 2 is there. Then after that 3 into 2 is 5, accumulator will be 5, and then you have transfer this value to the R7. So R7 become a values. So this is the program to run the program. See, this is the program of running by using this one. ठीक आहे. So debug and stop. कळालं का? परत एकदा सांगू दे एकदा. परत एकदा रिवाइज करतो. परत एकदा जस्ट आय वॉन्ट टू रिवाइज दिस. इथं परत एकदा रिवाइज करायचंय. जस्ट पहिल्यापासून परत रिवाइज करतो. जस्ट आय एम गोइंग टू एक्स इज देअर प्रोजेक्ट क्लोज प्रोजेक्ट नो. फक्त आता सांगत नाही, जस्ट यू हॅव टू सी ऑन युअर स्क्रीन इज दिस प्रोजेक्ट न्यू प्रोजेक्ट फाईल नेम झिरो 3 02 A will be 05, then R7 will be 05. Program will be end is there. Then go to the debug and okay. And just you have to copy paste the program from your lab manual is there. Then you can see the programs are there. ठीक आहे. मी टाकतो ती लिंक तुम्हाला सॉफ्टवेअरची पण आणि त्याची पण. फक्त काय करा, केलचं मायक्रो व्हर्जन 3 इन्स्टॉल करा. 3 ओके. बघा प्रोग्राम करून प्रेझेंटी घेतो. काय अडचण असेल तर विचारा. जस्ट आय वॉन्ट टू टेक द अटेंडन्स इज देअर.